Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve problem 1 and 2 of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 10 of 12th class maths. The first problem is write down a unit vector in the xy plane making an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of x axis. Okay, so let us solve this problem. Solution. So what is given here? What is asked is a unit vector in xy plane. Okay, you have to write down unit vector in xy plane making an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of x axis. Okay, so suppose we draw here the y axis and this is the x axis. Okay, xy. Now you consider a vector, okay, in this way. So let us say the vector has the name a bar here, okay, and this vector is a unit vector, that means magnitude is 1 of this vector. Now this vector is given to be making an angle of 30 degrees, okay. So let us write down first about the information given for the vector here. So let a bar equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap be a unit vector. Now you will say, where is k cap here? So there is no k cap because the vector is in the xy plane. Okay, so be a unit vector making an angle of 30 degrees with the positive direction of x axis. Okay. Now since the vector is making an angle of 30 degrees with the positive x axis, okay, so what we can use is the angle formula, okay, angle between two vectors. So here if we write the formula, angle between two vectors a bar and b bar is cos theta equal to a bar dot product b bar divided by magnitude of a bar multiplied by magnitude of b bar. Okay. Now you can see that this vector a bar is making angle 30 degrees with the x axis. Okay. So you know that I cap is a vector which is in the direction of x axis and is a unit vector. Okay. So I cap is a vector, in fact it is a vector in the direction of positive x axis, right. So what we can write is the angle between a bar and the unit vector I cap. So since the angle between a bar and the x axis, so in fact we have to take I cap is 30 degrees. Okay, so therefore what we get is cos of 30 is equal to a bar dot product I cap divided by magnitude of a bar times magnitude of I cap. Okay, this is degrees. So you know cos 30 is root 3 by 2, right. So root 3 by 2 is equal to A bar is A1 I cap plus A2 j cap, and then we have dot product I cap divided by. Now since A bar is a unit vector, its magnitude is 1, right. So what we will get is 1, right, here in the denominator. Magnitude of A bar is 1, and also you know the magnitude of I cap is 1. Okay, so then we will get root 3 by 2 equal to, now if you take the dot product of these two vectors, what we will get is A1 times coefficient of I cap, that is 1, right, plus A2. Now you can see that for the second vector there is no j cap term, so A2 times 0 you will get divided by 1. Okay, so root 3 by 2 will be equal to A1, right. So A1 we got. Now we can find A2 similarly. Now since, okay, so if you look at this vector A bar, since the vector is making an angle of 30 degrees with the x axis, that means this vector is also making an angle of 60 degrees with the positive y axis, right. So that we will use. So since A bar is making an angle of 60 degrees with y axis, so y axis means you know it is you have to take the unit vector j cap. Okay, therefore what you will get, cos 60 degrees is equal to A bar dot product j cap divided by magnitude of A bar times magnitude of j cap. Okay, so cos 60 is half, equal to A bar is A1 I cap plus A2 j cap dot product j cap divided by, the magnitude of A bar is 1 times magnitude of j cap is also 1. So what we will get is half equal to A1 times 0 plus A2 times 1 divided by 1 into 1, that is 1. So this implies what we will get is half equal to A2. Okay, so we got A1 and A2 here. So therefore the vector A bar, which is equal to I cap A1 I cap plus A2 j cap will be equal to root 3 by 2, because A1 we found out as root 3 by 2 I cap plus half j cap. Okay, so this is the answer. Now let us go to the second problem. The problem is find the scalar components and magnitude of the vector joining the points px1 y1 z1 and qx2 y2 z2. Okay, so what we have to find is the scalar components and magnitude of the vector which is joining these 2 points. Okay, so solution, you know the formula for vector joining 2 points, so that formula we have to use it here. So vector joining 2 points P, that is x1 y1 z1, and Q, which is x2 y2 z2, is the notation for vector joining 2 points P and Q is given as PQ bar, right? So this is equal to, what we have to do is we have to take the coordinate minus the corresponding coordinate with the respective unit vector. Okay, so what we will get is x2 minus x1 multiplied by I cap, right, then plus y2 minus y1 multiplied by j cap, and z2 minus z1 multiplied by k cap. This formula you have already studied. So components will be components of PQ bar are, components means just the coefficients of the unit vector. Okay, so x2 minus x1, then y2 minus y1, and z2 minus z1. Okay, now we have to find the magnitude of the vector. So the magnitude of this vector we have to find. So magnitude is given as magnitude PQ bar. Okay, two lines around the vector. So this is equal to root of, so the formula is nothing but root of sum of squares of the components. Okay, so root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square plus z2 minus z1 the whole square. Okay, so this is the answer. So that's it in the video. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I will see you in the next video.